Taking a look at stock ticker symbol ABHI, currently traded at 0027. This one is coming off of 0004. You see on here, Jabo mentioned this over on investorshangout.com/live. He was one of the original ones that brought us this, if I remember correctly. And that is going to bring us down to right here. Look at that. Boom. Right there before this move. The day before. Look at that. 0004. And then we looked at it again right here where that red line is. We said, watch for open at 0007, no gaps. We'll need to push off of, push to 0011, 12 might be getting set up for another pop. Look at that, boom, right off of that. You guys pull down, retrace down to that 10-day simple moving average. And then again, right off of this 10-day simple moving average. Boom, right off. So, I mean, I don't know really what's going on with the company or not. I'm just telling you guys as a charting perspective. You normally want to see that open right there around that previous close. And we're not seeing that right now, which is my little, personal opinion. I'm not too 100% thrilled about that gap up. But if you're in it before, you're going to be going from that 0021 opening up at 0027. That's a pretty decent gap. You're going to usually see that fill. I understand that you have the bottom and top of the candles filling into that gap, but outside the upper boundary, man, me personally, I would personally just watch it for now. Considering the fact that we looked at it way back here and it's all the way at that point already, I mean, you can't win them all either. And Joe, you can take over.
All right. So with this company in particular, there hasn't been much activity from them up until now. It seems like, or as of there's a press release yesterday. But I mean, is Pink no information? But then yet there was a SC13G on June 30th, 2016. That's pretty much the last thing that they actually reported. But then the press release from yesterday was AmbiCom Holdings Incorporated announces licensing agreement with Voosh Incorporated. So AmbiCom Holdings announced yesterday that we have reached a licensing and distribution agreement with Voosh LLC, the industry leader in optimization software. New AmbiCom CEO Alan Lulin stated, "We are extremely excited to be working with Voosh and its management and partnering to bring this technology to potential new clients around the world. With AmbiCom's innovative and industry-leading software, this agreement will allow AmbiCom to expand its growing client base to the enterprise and SMB markets to increase revenues." Voosh CEO Kevin Cornell, I believe it's Cornell, or maybe Carmel. I can't tell if it's the R or the N. It's kind of coming together. All right. So as the founder of the company that created AmbiCom's optimization software, I was very excited to enter into an exclusive agreement with AmbiCom to bring this innovative optimization software to new clients worldwide. So about Voosh, certified by IBM, Microsoft, Citrix, and VMware, Voosh cloud-based optimization software unlocks the trapped performance in today's computers by using the manufacturer's supplied tools to adjust configuration settings based on type of workload and assets available. Currently installed on over 4 million PCs and servers in the consumer market space and used by companies like Deutsche Bank, Colgate, Mammonites Hospital, IBM, UNHCR, and TPX Axon. Voosh improves overall performance by at least 30%, and single application procedures can increase network utilization by over 400% with no additional hardware or software. So about AmbiCom, under a new management, AmbiCom will focus on existing relationships and look to expand our market share in the technology fields. We will be looking to bring in new revenue along with focusing on agreements with other technology partners to license and distribute their products. So that's pretty much it. That's, obviously there's new management. So it's pretty much something you want to pay attention to, watch for it, see if they start, becoming brought up to date as well.
Okay. All right, so again, that's going to be stock ticker symbol ABHI. If you want more information about this, make sure you click subscribe and head over to investorshangout.com. And investorshangout.com/live is where you're going to go to let us know about your hot stocks. So one more time with the chart, 0027, watch for a gap at 002127. If volume continues, can't keep moving, depends on interest. I mean, there's a little bit of a spread right here. If you look into past the chart, you see what happens on that spread. It comes back shortly after the fill. But like I said, play it while it's there. ABHI.